Have you ever gotten an SECP challan and just sighed? You know the drill. Find the paper, drive to the bank, and then stand in that endless line. Well, what if I told you that you could skip all of that and get it done in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? In this quick explainer, we're going to show you exactly how.
Yeah, we've all been there. You get that official-looking challan and your heart just sinks a little bit, right? You're already picturing the traffic, the search for parking, and that queue that just never seems to move. It really feels like a throwback to another decade, but here's the good news. It absolutely does not have to be that way anymore.
I mean, who doesn't? It's such a massive waste of your time and energy for something that should be super simple. So let's fix that exact problem for you, right here, right now. And that's the promise. No paper, no driving around, and definitely no waiting. Just you, your smartphone, and a couple of taps. By the time we're done here, you'll know the exact foolproof method to do this yourself every single time. So where do we even begin? Well, before you can dream of paying digitally, you need one single crucial piece of information. It's basically the golden ticket that unlocks this whole process, your PSID number. So what on earth is a PSID? Think of it like a unique tracking number, but for your specific bill. Every single challan that the SECP system generates has one of these, and it's the only code your banking app can use to find your specific payment. Getting this is step one, and it's absolutely essential.
And getting your PSID is actually the easy part. You just log in to your usual SECP portal, whether that's eServices or the new Leap system. You finish whatever task you were doing, and you click to generate the challan. That all-important PSID number will be printed right there on the document. Once you've got that number in hand, you are ready to roll.
Okay, so you have your PSID, you're feeling pretty tech-savvy, you're ready to make this whole digital payment thing happen. But this is the exact spot where almost everybody hits a really frustrating brick wall. You grab your phone, you open your favorite banking app. Doesn't matter if it's HBL, Meezan, Easypaisa, any of them. You navigate over to the bill payment section and you're thinking, yes, I'm just a few seconds away from being done.
So logically, you tap on government payments, or maybe you just use the main search bar. You start typing SECP, fully expecting it to just pop right up. I mean, it's a government fee, it has to be there. This should be obvious, right? And crickets. Absolutely nothing shows up. You try again, maybe you check a different category, still nothing. Now, this is the moment of despair where most people just give up and say, fine, I'll go to the bank. But don't. You are so close. The solution is just one little secret away.
And here it is. This is the whole secret. The magic word you're actually supposed to be looking for in your banking app isn't CCP at all. It's One Bill. Remember that name, One Bill. That's the key that unlocks everything.
Okay, so why One Bill? It's because SECP doesn't process these payments themselves. They use a third-party company, a payment gateway called One Bill, to handle all of their digital collections. So you're not paying SECP directly in your app, you're technically paying an invoice through the One Bill system. That's why you have to search for One Bill and then usually pick the Invoice or Voucher option.
Now, here's one super important detail. Depending on where you got your challan, the PSID might look a little different. If you're using the new Leap portal, it's a clean 14-digit number. If you're on the older eServices portal, it might be longer and have a prefix, but you know what? Don't even worry about it. The golden rule is just type in the entire number exactly as it appears on your challan. That's
all right, now that you're in on the One Bill secret, the rest of this is unbelievably easy. We can break down the actual payment into 5 super quick steps.
Okay, let's walk through it together. 1. Open your app, head to Bill Payment. 2. This is the magic step. Find and select One Bill and choose the Invoice or Voucher option. 3. Very carefully type in that full PSID number from your challan. 4. Tap the button that says Fetch Bill or something similar, and like magic, your app will show you the biller's name is SECP and the exact amount you owe. 5. Just double check that everything looks right and hit pay. See? It's that fast.
So you've made the payment, which is awesome. But before you go celebrate your victory over bureaucracy, let me just give you 3 quick but really essential pro tips to make sure this goes perfectly every single time.
Here are the key things to drill into your memory. First, pay before the due date on the challan. An expired PSID will just get rejected and you'll have to start over. Second, the really good news, verification is pretty much instant. No more waiting 24 hours for it to clear. And third, Just be aware there's a tiny service fee involved.
And how small are we talking? Well, it's usually just around 25 to 50 rupees. Honestly, that's a tiny price to pay to avoid a trip to the bank, right? Just make sure you have that little bit extra in your account so the whole transaction goes through smoothly.
And just like that, you're done. You have successfully paid your SECP fee right from your phone, probably in less than 2 minutes. No lines, no paper, no hassle. Success!
Okay, you're almost done. The absolute final step is just being smart about your records. The second it says success, take a screenshot. If your app lets you, download the PDF receipt. And then just keep an eye out for the official confirmation email from SECP and file that away.
So there you have it. The big secret to paying SECP fees online was never about the SECP at all. It was just about knowing to look for one bill. It kind of makes you wonder, what other annoying, old-school tasks have a simple digital shortcut just hiding there, waiting for you to find it? Go on, go conquer them.